Hi guys, this is Steven from Enershare. Today, we are at the fish farm right here in Cambodia. As you can see, 14 solar panels were installed above the water with rated power of 7,700 watts. Come here. This is our 8 kilowatt, 16 kilowatt hours off-grid solar energy storage system built specially for fish farming. It runs pumps in the day and powers aerators 24/7. No blackouts, no downtime. For fish farmers, high costs are deadly. They kill fish and cost you big money. Our system fixes unstable power and save you up to $2,000 a year. If you need fish farm, agriculture, or off-grid energy solutions, we've got you covered. This is Steven from Enershare. Green energy straight for all. See you next time.